Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your LinkedIn account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your LinkedIn account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in linkedin.com like this and hit enter, and you'll be redirected to the home page of LinkedIn, whereas you can also log into the LinkedIn platform over here, or you can just click on the sign in button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign in, and over here you will be required to enter your email address or your phone number over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your LinkedIn account. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Or if you want to log into your LinkedIn with your Google or your Apple ID, simply click on them, and these kinds of pages will open, where if you log into your Google or your Apple ID respectively, you'll be logged into the LinkedIn with your Google or your Apple ID which you logged into. Or if you have not yet created an account on LinkedIn, simply click on join now to go through a procedure to create an account on LinkedIn. And this is how you sign into your LinkedIn account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.